All right, everyone. It's Friday, and I was actually just doing some work for the seminar. So let me change this back to an hourly bar. This one daily. Okay. It's actually been a pretty good trading day so far. Last night's position, you can see, moved up. The market moved up rather late in the European session, triggering fairly early in New York. You can see it retested the entry a couple of times and then has shot up. Currently trading about 210. So pretty good profit sitting there, 60, 56 pips or so, about 60 pips now. But anyway, let's get right to the Q&As for today. First one is, I've been through the course and I'm having trouble with the basics, like what you showed in the daily video for the 21st. You talked about a long trade and a short trade. I'm confused as to which way you think the market might move. Or you're saying that you would go long and ride that and then go short to retest the bottom. Okay. When I'm talking about taking two particular trades, if you remember, I talked about taking this larger pattern that was forming here. I talked about selling as the market is going down or buying as the market goes up. In other words, I don't care what direction the market's going to go. I think you can do that, and I know some guys that are very good at predicting. I should say forecasting where they think the market is going to go, but I would rather not do that. So your question, you said, I'm confused as to which way you think the market might move. I wasn't trying to tell you which direction I thought the market might move. I was trying to give you a strategy to make money. And I'm not being facetious with that. I'm saying that you can try and predict where the market's going to go, or you can try and make money. The strategy that I have in the daily videos will usually have two directions based on a compression pattern, as I call it. Compression patterns are things like flags, pennants, triangles, wedges like this or wedges like that. Basically, the market is compressing, and you see here the market is wiggling its way around. It just looks like you've got a pinch, pushing down, pushing up. So if the market breaks out, that's where you can expect the volatility to come from in order to make some money. And again, you can see that the market made a nice clean break of the resistance line, pushed its way back out. It didn't get anywhere near the support line, so there was no need to even look at a short trade. But that's the key. The key is understanding that I'm not trying to forecast the direction of the market. I'm simply trying to apply myself in order to have a strategy that's going to make money. Then I have about $7,000 to put with the broker and would like to get started making some trades, and at this time feel very inadequate about risking funds when I don't seem to get a grasp on what is probably very basic stuff. Any suggestions? That is a good thing. It's not, there's no reason to rush into the marketplace. I just got off the phone with a crew member, and I told him the biggest mistake rookie traders make is trying to go into the market too fast and with too much money. Even if you have $70,000 to invest, if you can't make money with $2,000, you're not going to make money with $70,000. Don't fall into the trap of thinking that the more money you have, the easier it's going to be for you to make profits. That's just not the case. My suggestion would be is to just get in there, look for, once you see my daily video, you can make the decision on whether or not you're going to follow it in your demo account or some other kind of account. But follow along and see if you can stick with the trade. Are you able to stick with the entries? Do you understand what I'm talking about even? All of those things are very, very important part of eventually getting into a consistent profits.